Hi guys, welcome to Curry Tips. So today I'm going to do the most inspired uptime face mask by our Miss Universe and Bollywood actress Priyanka Chopra. It is so simple and you can also try it. Just follow the video. If you are a new viewer, please do subscribe my channel. So let's see how to make it.
Wheat flour, turmeric, yogurt, lemon, rose water. Take a bowl and add 1 spoonful of wheat flour. Now add little turmeric, just a pinch of turmeric. Add few drops of lemon juice. Now add 1 tablespoonful of yogurt. Now add rose water. You can use any brand of rose water. Mix it properly to make it as a paste. Don't add normal water. You need to add only rose water. So this is the paste. The paste is ready. This face mask is really good for dry skin, and those who have sensitive skin do a patch test before applying it. So I am just applying all over my face. So wheat flour helps in removing tan and it slows down the skin aging, and it also protects our skin as well as renews it. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory qualities. It reduces acne on our face. Just add a pinch of turmeric. Lemon has amazing astringent and antibacterial properties. Rose water is a great cleanser and it removes oil and dirt. Yogurt reduces fine lines and wrinkles. I applied this all over my face. Let it semi-dry. Once it dries, remove it by scrubbing, and then wash it off with water. I hope you can see the difference. Let me know in the comment section. I hope this video is really helpful. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel. Bye bye.